Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Fujifilm X-A3 mirrorless camera XC16-50mm f3.5-5.62 lens kit in a stylish brown finish. Designed with the younger generation in mind, this camera is perfect for those who love taking self-portraits. The X-A3 boasts a powerful 24.2-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, ensuring outstanding image quality and vivid color reproduction. One of the standout features for self-portrait enthusiasts is the 180-degree tilting LCD screen, providing unobstructed visibility for the perfect shot. But it doesn't stop there. With enhanced autofocus settings, eye detection AF, and portrait enhancer mode, the X-A3 is tailored for an exceptional self-portrait shooting experience. This camera is not just about selfies. It's a versatile tool for various shooting scenarios. The XC16-50mm f3.5-5.62 lens adds to its capabilities, allowing for class-leading macro shots with a focus distance of approximately 7 cm from the lens's front edge. And with a swift 1/4000 seconds minimum shutter speed, you can capture those fast-paced moments with precision. For videographers, the X-A3 supports full HD video recording, ensuring your videos are as sharp as your photos. The wireless communication functionality enables remote shooting from smartphones and tablets, adding convenience to your creative process. In terms of battery life, you can expect around 410 frames per charge, providing ample power for a day of shooting. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a content creator, the Fujifilm X-A3 mirrorless camera with its travel-friendly form factor is a compelling choice. Stay tuned for more hands-on reviews and comparisons. Until next time, happy shooting! Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.